Morning students, we were doing the chapter measure of center tendency. Okay, only two questions or two numericals were left for the same, that is the missing term. Sometimes the missing item or missing term is over there, so yeah, how to calculate it, just check it out. Okay, so this type of numerical will be given to you, that find the missing term if mean of the following series is 50. Okay, so this is going to be given to you, marks will be given to you, and number of students will be given to you. If you will check it out carefully, that 30, 35, 40, but this is not given, means this item we are supposed to find it out. Okay, 50, 75 and rest all are given to you. Okay, so you can, instead of question mark, you can write X. Okay, so firstly we will do one thing, as I told you so many times. Firstly write the formula and then do the numericals for the same, because if you are aware about the formula, then you know which value you are needed. So sigma fx upon sigma f. Okay, so sigma fx upon sigma f. So I have to calculate firstly sigma f. Sigma f means total of all these. हम सबसे पहले हम इस सबका टोटल कर देंगे. So by adding all this, we will get sigma f is equal to 20. Okay, sigma fx is 30, that is 35 into 2, that is 70, 120, 4x. I am multiplying it. Okay, 300, and again I will get 300. So now what we are supposed to do, by adding all the units, okay, sigma fx by adding all the units, we will get 820 plus 4x. Okay, I just repeat it again. Firstly you will write the formula sigma fx upon sigma f. For getting sigma fx, हम ये जो x है, this is marks are x and number of student are f, तो हम इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे. ठीक है, सो बाय मल्टीप्लाइंग इट वी विल गेट एफ एक्स. इट मीन्स मल्टीप्लाइंग ऑल द यूनिट, बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट गिवन टू अस. सो 4 into x 4x. ओके, एंड वी कैन नॉट ऐड दिस यूनिट, हम इसको ऐड नहीं कर सकते. आई हैव एडेड रेस्ट ऑफ ऑल द यूनिट्स, ऑल द आइटम, ये सारी ऐड करके वी गॉट 820 plus 4x. ओके, so the mean is if mean of the following series is 50, so it means mean is already given to you. Sigma fx is 820 plus 4x upon sigma f is equal to 20. Okay, so what we will do, we will cross multiplying it. Okay, we will get the value 820 plus 4x. Okay, so by deducting it, okay, we will get 184x. Okay, so that is 180 divided by 4x. Okay, so we will get the value of 45. So our answer would be marks 45. So it means the missing value is over here is 45. If you will see here, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 75. So the missing value is 45. Clear? Next question. In this question, x is not given, one value of x is not given, and we are doing the next question in which frequency, it means frequency or number of students, one value is missing over here. So again we will write the formula, mean sigma fx upon sigma f. Okay, so almost the same is over there. Calculation of these are the sum of missing frequency. So calculation of missing frequency, हम इसमें missing frequency जो है वो calculate कर रहे हैं. तो again we need fx. Okay, we need fx. Okay, so that is 5525. Okay, I am multiplying it, x and f is multiplying it. ठीक है, अगेन यहाँ पर आपको जो है मिसिंग फ्रिक्वेंसी है, सो इंस्टेड ऑफ क्वेश्चन मार्क आई कैन राइट x. So 25, sorry, it is frequency, so I am going to write it f, 25f, because I have to find the frequency, so that's why I have written f over here. Clear? अगर x नहीं दिया हुआ तो you will write x, if f is not given you will write f. Okay, so we are getting all this value. So I need sigma fx. Sigma fx, again आई विल ऐड ऑल द वैल्यू, ये सारी वैल्यूज़ को ऐड कर दूंगी सिर्फ इसे छोड़ के, ठीक है. सो व्हाट आई एम गेटिंग 1150 एंड प्लस 25f. क्लियर. फ्रीक्वेंसी कैलकुलेट करने के लिए क्या करेंगे, अगेन 1 2 3 4 5 आइटम विल बी एडेड. इट मीन्स वी विल गेट by adding all this we will get 38 plus frequency. Okay, so now I have to put the value over here. Mean is already given, already question में mean दिया हुआ है, that is mean is 29. so mean instead of this I will write 29. sigma fx is 1150 plus 25 frequency divided by sigma fx 38 plus f. ओके, सो अगेन बाय क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाइंग इट मैं 29 38 प्लस एफ 1150 प्लस 25 एफ. ओके, सो आई एम गोइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई इट 29 इंटू 38 दैट इज 1108 एंड 29 एफ आई एम गेटिंग 1150 25 एफ. अब जो सेम है दैट वी विल कीप ऑन अ वन प्लेस. 29 फ्रीक्वेंसी दिस विल कम हेयर, ये इधर चला जाएगा तो ये माइनस का हो जाएगा, प्लस का माइनस का हो जाएगा. 1150 दिस इज ऑल्सो प्लस, ठीक है, बट जब ये इधर आएगा तो ये माइनस का हो जाएगा 1102. सो व्हाट आई एम गेटिंग 4 फ्रीक्वेंसी एंड हेयर I will get 48. Okay, so frequency is 48 divided by 4, so I will get the value is 12. So the answer or missing frequency is 12. This is your answer. So you can write it over here, that is frequency is 12. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Thank you, students.